If you thought the Galaxy A57 was overpriced, try using the Galaxy A37. Honestly, this might be the most overpriced phone I have seen in a long time, because just look at its price. The Galaxy A37 starts at a ridiculous 42,000 rupees for the 8128GB variant. And if you want the 256GB version, things get even worse because that one costs a whopping 48,000 rupees. At this price, even a die-hard Samsung fanboy would struggle to defend this phone. It is that overpriced. And the worst part is, when you compare it to last year's Galaxy M56, the Galaxy A37 is almost the same phone. Same Victus Plus protection on the front and the back, almost the same AMOLED display, the same Exynos 1480 chipset, the same cameras, and even the same battery capacity. The only real differences are an IP68 rating and one extra year of Android updates you get on the Galaxy A37, and that's it. And for that, Samsung is charging nearly double, which makes absolutely zero sense. Now, to be fair, Samsung's Galaxy A30 series was never really about offering the best value for money at the mid-range price, but at the same time, it was never this badly overpriced either. People used to buy this lineup just because of Samsung's strong brand value, its long software update promise, and its easy offline availability. And because of these three reasons, Samsung's A-series phones used to sell quite well. But right now, with the Galaxy A37, the price increase over last year's A36 is 9,000 rupees. Yes, a part of that is because of the increasing RAM and storage prices, but again, that is not something limited to Samsung. Other brands have also increased the prices of their mid-range phones. However, other brands have also improved their overall hardware quite drastically, whereas the A37 barely brings any meaningful upgrade. This is what makes the Galaxy A37 such a hard phone to recommend. So if you want a mid-range phone from Samsung, you should literally get last year's Galaxy M56 for almost half the price. And even if you have a budget of 40,000 rupees to spend, there are just much better phones available in this segment right now. If you want the best performance at this price, just go with the iQOO 15R or the Poco X8 Pro Max. Both these phones deliver insanely better performance. Both of them have a much brighter display and a longer lasting battery. In almost every aspect, the iQOO 15R and the Poco X8 Pro Max wins. Maybe not in cameras, because cameras on these gaming-centric phones are not that great. Samsung has slightly better color tuning in photos, but that is about it. Similarly, if you want the best battery life and an excellent software experience on a phone around 40,000 rupees, then just go and get the OnePlus Nord 6. It also has a super smooth 165Hz display, a pretty powerful Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chipset, and faster charging. And the charger is actually included inside the box, unlike the Galaxy A37. And if you want a camera-centric phone in this price range, around 40,000 rupees, then just go and get the Vivo V70, which gives you a much better camera experience. You get a capable 3x telephoto camera, which clicks amazing portraits as compared to the A37. You get better selfies too, and just look at the design. It feels way more premium than the Galaxy A37. Here, you also get an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, whereas the A37 only has a slow optical one. And just look at the bezels here. They are so huge on the A37. The Vivo V70 is just a better overall product. And finally, if you want the most balanced phone at this price, then just go and get the Nothing Phone 4a Pro. Like the Galaxy A37, Nothing software experience is also top class. It's fast and it's fluid. The cameras here are so much better than what you get on the A37, and just look at this design. It is so much cooler than what you get with the Galaxy A37. So yeah, I don't know if Samsung got the pricing completely wrong here, or if they were just so overconfident in their brand image that they deliberately priced it this way. Either way, I do think the price of this phone will eventually go down. Even on Amazon, I can already see some discounts starting to show up. But as of now, the Galaxy A37 is just not overpriced. I think it is stuck in the worst possible position. It is simply too expensive, even compared to Samsung's own alternatives right now. So what are your thoughts on the newly launched Galaxy A37 and A57? Please let me know in the comments below. And while you're there, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Saying this, I'm Pratima. I'll see you in my next video.